We're here with Khalil, the founder and CEO of TELR. How are you today?
Fine, how are you?
I'm great. So tell me how it's going so far at the Dubai Fintech Summit.
Well, great. It's been a great turnout. TELR is a bronze sponsor of the Dubai Fintech Summit. It's been great to establish connections with existing clients of ours and collaborate with different players in the fintech ecosystem here in Dubai.
And tell me a little bit more about TELR and any upcoming news that you can share with us.
Great. So TELR started in 2014 as an online payment gateway. And since then, we've built our proprietary technology to enable our customers to transact with their customers and accept payments online. And since then, we've grown so much in order to become a one-stop shop for anything payments for our merchants. We have an ever-growing array of payment methods that we continue to grow and establish new payment methods for our customers. The latest one was a couple months back where we enabled JCB out of Japan as an international payment method for all of our customers. We operate in both UAE and Saudi Arabia, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
And tell me a little bit more about the markets of UAE and Saudi Arabia and maybe how those customers might differ from other regions.
So the nice thing about it is the demographic in both markets is a pretty young generation, so it's a bit more sophisticated. Obviously, the payment ecosystem has developed quite extensively in the last few years, and with that, there is a vision in both countries towards a cashless society. And so we're building upon that vision, capitalizing on that, and the infrastructure is very well developed. The ecosystem is also developed. The whole environment is good for foreign investors to come in and establish. So there's a lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of startups that are coming into the market.
Yeah, definitely, especially here in the UAE. I know there's a lot of foreign investment, and I guess Saudi is opening up a lot more than in the past, no?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, with the new regulations that are coming in Saudi also, it's building up in order for new entrepreneurs to also start up there. And we're seeing a lot of movement in both markets.
And so you mentioned this vision of a cashless society. How viable do you think that is?
I mean, I think we're on the way. I think the pandemic helped to accelerate that quite a lot. Today, like I said, it's a young demographic. So you have a lot of millennials, a lot of Gen Zs that don't have much time. So you want to do payments in the car and in the metro, at home, and that's really driving our customer experience in order to cater for that. So I think we're on the right trajectory for becoming closer to 70%, 80% cash aside by 2030.
By 2030, okay. I always like to have some cash on me. I don't know about you, but I always have for emergencies.
Well, I mean, living here in Dubai, I haven't had cash in my pocket for a very long time. I'm completely, electronic. Today with Apple Pay and the various different wallets that we use, you don't really need to do any cash payments at all.
That's true. And tell me about your outlook on the crypto markets and when it comes to payments in that industry.
So crypto is highly regulated, and I think there's been a lot of changes in the regulations in the last few months here in the UAE, and I think they're going in the right direction. So it's coming. It's a matter of, each country deals with it in a different way. And I think it's something to watch and monitor.
And is there anything that you heard today at the conference maybe that interested you, or a personal anecdote that you could share with us?
So I think there's a lot of things going on in the conference that we've heard from the different ministers and the different players in the market. A lot of interesting things to also collaborate on with other partners and other players in the fintech ecosystem.
And what can we expect from TELR in the upcoming future?
So we have an ever-growing payment methods that we are always building, new features always rolling out. So we try to roll out something new every month. We have a bunch of interesting things and nice things that are coming to the market very soon. You'll hear about it.
Great, I'm excited. Well, thank you so much for your time.